What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. We are always excited to have you guys here. My name is Agi in case you're new here, and today's video we're going to be making this amazing recipe. This is a very delicious snack and I know that you guys are going to try it out. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out and how it came out, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you might want to look for this recipe and it will not be easy for you to get it. So in today's video we're going to be making vichetes, and these are delicious, these are addictive, and I know that you guys are going to love it. So guys, let's get on with the video. So we're going to start off by mixing the dry ingredients, and I added 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, you can also use cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt, and then you're just going to mix everything until they're nicely incorporated. So next I added in a half a cup of butter and a half a cup of water. So next is just to mix everything or knead up everything to a nice and soft firm dough. So if you're new to this channel, you're very much welcome. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up as that helps to grow the channel, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So if you don't have a mixer, you can always use your hands to knead the dough, and I'm going to knead this dough for about 5 minutes. So once you're done kneading the dough, you'll cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for about 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, you just transfer your dough on a clean working space, and then you're going to knead it for about just 1 minute, and then you'll take your rolling pin and roll it to about 1/2 inch thickness. So once you're done rolling, you're going to take your knife or your pizza cutter and use it to cut the dough. What you need is small squares, and shape doesn't really matter at this point, you just need small squares. So you can also do any shape of your choice, it doesn't really matter, but just make sure your dough is not too thin or too thick. And also just make sure as you cut your dough, you also make sure that you nicely separate them. So once you're done cutting your pieces, you're gonna heat some oil and make sure you have enough oil for deep frying, and you can test if your oil is ready by using a wooden stick or a skewer. So if your wooden stick or skewer produces bubbles, then you know that your cooking oil is ready. Next is to drop your dough cutouts into the hot oil, and make sure that you keep turning and also do not overcrowd your cooking oil. So you're just gonna deep fry this until they turn nice and golden brown. And also while deep frying, make sure that your oil is not too hot and your heat is on medium heat so that your cutouts are able to be cooked on the inside as well. You guys can see our cutouts are now nice and golden brown, and that means that they are ready. So we're gonna get them out from the cooking oil and place them on an oil absorbing paper just to make sure that we drain out all the excess oil. So guys, as you can see, our vichetes are ready and they look amazing, and you're gonna be tempted to eat them at this point, but remember we didn't add any sugar to them, so they're sugarless, so you can't have them at this point. So that brings us to the next step, which is you're gonna get a clean pot and you're gonna add in 3/4 cup of water and 3/4 cup of sugar. I also added in a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can also use cinnamon if you like cinnamon. So we're gonna mix this until all the sugar is dissolved, and then we're gonna let this boil until it's nice and thick. So as you guys can see, the syrup is now nice and thick, and that means that you're gonna add in our vichete pieces. So at this point, make sure that your heat is on low heat or medium low, so that you don't burn them out. And you're just gonna keep turning until the sugar starts to crystallize. And as you can see, when you see that, it means that your sugar syrup is ready for adding the vishete. So that is how you test to know that your sugar syrup is ready. So just keep turning your vichetes. You really have to be very patient, and you'll notice that the sugar syrup starts to crystallize and the vichetes will start turning white, and that means that now your vichetes are ready. So once the sugar syrup is all dried out, that means that your vichetes are ready for serving. So we're gonna serve them in a nice clean bowl, and you can also store them in a clean airtight jar so that you can have them for a whole week. So guys, just like that, you have your nice snack that are ready to eat anytime you want them. And these are so nice and crunchy and very nicely sugar coated, and I know that you guys are going to enjoy this. These are very addictive. So guys, if you enjoyed watching our video today, kindly hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment in the comment section if you tried it out and how it came out. And I hope that I'll be able to see you guys on the next one.